Today we're going to solve a system of equations problem. We have two positive integers x and y that satisfy two conditions. X plus y equals 25 and x times y equals 144. Our goal is to find the values of x and y. Step 1. Let's express one variable in terms of the other. From the first equation, x plus y equals 25, we can solve for y. We get y equals 25 minus x. Step 2. Now, we substitute this expression for y into the product equation. We have x times the quantity 25 minus x equals 144. Step 3. Let's expand and collect terms to form a quadratic polynomial. Expanding gives us 25x minus x squared equals 144. Rearranging all terms to one side, we get negative x squared plus 25x minus 144 equals 0. Step 4. Now, we need to factor the quadratic. We're looking for two integers whose product is 144 and whose sum is 25. Let's list the factor pairs of 144 and find their sums. Notice that 9 times 16 equals 144 and 9 plus 16 equals 25. This pair works. So the factors are negative 9 and negative 16. Step 5. Using the zero product property, we set each factor to 0. X minus 9 equals 0, or x minus 16 equals 0. Step 6. Solving these equations, we find x equals 9, or x equals 16. Now, we need to find the corresponding y values using our equation y equals 25 minus x. If x equals 9, then y equals 25 minus 9, which equals 16. If x equals 16, then y equals 25 minus 16, which equals 9. Step 7. Let's verify that these pairs satisfy both original equations. For both pairs, x plus y equals 25 and x times y equals 144. Both conditions are satisfied. Therefore, our final answer is the pair x equals 9 and y equals 16, or equivalently, x equals 16 and y equals 9. Both represent the same solution to our system of equations. Let's visualize our solution. We can represent this problem as finding two numbers that fit in a rectangle. The two numbers are the dimensions, their sum is the semiperimeter, and their product is the area. Our solution shows that a rectangle with dimensions 9 by 16 has a semiperimeter of 25 and an area of 144. In this problem, we learned how to solve a system of equations by substitution, factoring a quadratic, and verifying our solution. The key insight was recognizing that we needed to find factor pairs of 144 that sum to 25. Thank you for watching.